open ends, and the crow's feet. Now I do a combination of using the Toolbox Widgets, which, hey, I wouldn't mind that they sponsored me because these are pretty cool, these little things. I'm not a fan of the little things they put on the top, like for the sizes, only because they don't have all the sizes yet, and I like things to be uniform. So I put these little stickers with numbers, and there you go. Metric and standard crow's feet, and an inspection mirror because I had nowhere else to put it. Now we got some chromed sockets and dog bones, a couple of these adapters, and I'm gonna have to talk louder now because the music is I'm not turning it down. Got some made in USA 72 Williams. They're owned by Snap-on. I gotta say, in this one, my favorite ones are these cardans. They are amazing when, you know, you gotta get somewhere and you just cannot get it in any other way. Dog bones are pretty good, but like I said, I haven't really used them much. Screwdrivers. This is actually a pain in the butt to figure out. Now, those of you that wonder, this is a Mac Tools 50th anniversary box. Now the screwdrivers, a lot of these are pretty much long. I never use these as pry bars. Now you'll see a lot of Craftsman, but a lot of these are the ancient from the 70s and the 80s. So they've held up, I gotta say, and I've been using them. Of course I got Mac. This is done pretty well over time. Again, this is a 30-year-old. But my favorite tool of this one is this little guy. This is a friction lock ratchet. Stay back in there, right? You put it in, only spins in one direction. Like I can't move it that way, but I can move it that way. This is excellent for doing dashboard work. Getting those Phillips heads that just are in impossible positions. Got to have some Torx heads, Snap-on. Got a feeler gauges. I will be upgrading these soon. But here we have the bottom box, but actually this is also a middle box. It's been converted. And actually these are handed down to me. Alright. This is a 16 3/4 inch drawer, which is small, I know. This is where I got my plier drawer with all sorts of different pliers that I've had to use over the years, including this little funky tool. Let's move so you can see better. This is a clamp maker. Use just regular old safety wire and you can hose up anything, and I have actually used it so far. Okay, what can I say? Nothing particularly fancy here or special, except maybe an original vice grip back when they were made in the US. Actually, I found that in the house I just bought. And here's a boot clamp for front wheel drive GM cars, which I need to do the cutout so I can grab it better. Here are the long tools, yeah, right. Okay, so basically got some KD. This is a clamp compressor, brake spring tool, another brake spring tool right here. This is the old Herbrandt. We've got some extensions, 1/4 inch and 3/8, chain link remover. You gotta have your mechanical fingers. Definitely a speed handle. Now, those of you that worked on airplanes will know speed handles are basically your power drill, because you don't want sparks. Because too much power! But you gotta do it. And of course a shitty magnet and a pick set. You gotta have your picks for getting those little O-rings out. Now I did leave a lot of room because I will be getting a Snap-on pick set for the large silicone hoses that Bus has. And another large tool drawer. I got some random drivers. I did not feel like tossing them. These are the very old Craftsman style and some Japanese made cheapos. But they've been good, and they got some oddball sizes, so they come in handy. Hammer, an original Craftsman mallet with that smoked hickory, whatever wood, I don't know. It looks pretty. I don't really use it much. And that's the problem with some tools. They get to the point where they're so old and they're so just cool that you don't want to use them, so you end up buying another one because whatever. You got to have your 460 channel lock and a angle torque tool. This is a Lyle, and that's pretty much it.